Hi, this is Sushil from Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. In the last video, I had explained to you about how we use VLOOKUP with the help of drop-down list. In today's video, I'll be explaining you how we use VLOOKUP, that is Excel table dynamic. So let us see our data. Now this is the sample data. You can download this file from my description. So as you can see, this is the data I'm having. I'm having some stock list over here. I'm having some price. And I've written some stock items here. Laptop quantity I'm saying is 25, keyboard is 35. I would like to have the price and the total price. So normally if I use by normal VLOOKUP, so then I will show you what is the advantage of using Excel table dynamic. So if I use normal way of using VLOOKUP, that is equal to VLOOKUP, you say tab, bracket open, click on laptop, that is H20, comma. Then what we do is we select this full table like this, comma, 2, comma, 0. And then I'll close the bracket over here. And because I'll be dragging it for the others, I normally we press this button of yours called as F4. Then same thing with that C24 also. This also I'll lock it, F4. So now when you press enter, I'm getting your laptop price is 185. Keyboard के लिए I'll have to drag it down. So like that, if I type some other stock over here, tablet, and if I drag it, okay, so quantity I'm just typing at 56. So now if I drag it down here like this, I should get it. But suppose I add some extra name over here. For example, I'm just typing your pen drive and just typing some value here, 450. And if I type your pen drive, if I just type the quantity is I want it 12, and if I drag it down, it will not come. That is because if you see my formula, my table is really getting set only this much only. It is not getting your pen drive or new data, whatever you type, that is not getting highlighted. So for that reason, you can do one thing. We can make one option called as Excel table dynamic. We can use this option Excel table dynamic. Okay. I'll just press Ctrl Z for the timing. I'm just getting it back to normal. Yeah. So for that, what you must do is you select this full table first. Just click inside and press Ctrl N. So that should select the full table of yours. You can click on to make it a table, make a table for this. You can click on insert because this data you have to make it as a table. Click on insert and click on table. And then you can say OK. When you say OK, this will become as a table. Or you can use a shortcut, select, enter table and press Ctrl T from your keyboard. So when you press Ctrl T from your keyboard, again this screen will come, say OK. So now this is taken as a table now. If I click over, see, you get one option over here, table design. If I click outside, that option will not come. When I click inside here, you get it. Table design. This name is given as table 3. Okay, you can change this name also. Click inside and can change it. If you wanted to give a name as stock list, so just type your. You cannot give space, so it has to be together like this, stock list. Enter. So I've given this table as this name called a stock list. Okay. So now if I use my formula over here, equal to VLOOKUP, click on laptop, H20, comma, then the name of the table I've given is stock list. So if I type here STOCK, see, stock list, the name has come here, see, tab, comma 2, comma 0, bracket close, enter. So you get 185 here. So now if you drag it down here like this, I should get for the others also. See, keyboard is keyboard I want quantity 35, price is 55. Total price, if you want to calculate, then you can say equal to, that is quantity that you multiply with your price, enter. So that should give you this answer. And if you drag it down, I'll just drag it till here in case I want to add some extra name also here. Here you can just use the normal total sum. Select this range, enter. So that should be the final total. But tomorrow you come and if you add some extra name here, for example, I'm just entering one more data over here, called as pen drive. Cost I'm saying is 250. That is the price of the pen drive. And below keyboard, if I type here pen drive and quantity I'm just saying is 12. So now if I drag it here, I should get it. That is the main advantage of dynamic, making as a table and making it dynamic. Dynamic means if you add some more names down below here, that name will appear over here also. So that's why it is called as Excel table dynamic. If you find this tutorial helpful, give me a like and subscribe to my channel, Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. In my next video, I will be explaining you how you can use VLOOKUP with the if error. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.